You've just watched the film adaptation of a book you love. You see the differences, a character cut, a new ending. But when it's time to write the essay, it just becomes a list. They changed this, they changed that. It feels shallow, and frankly, it won't get you top marks. The secret isn't just seeing the changes, it's understanding the system behind them. Think of it like a diagnostic tool. A great framework for this is Compass. It guides your analysis. You start with context. Why was the original written in the 1950s and the film made today? What values have shifted? Then you catalog the modifications, what's been added, deleted, or inverted. But the key is finding the patterns. If every change empowers female characters, that's not a coincidence. It's a deliberate reprioritizing of the story's values, driven by a modern context. You're not just listing changes, you're uncovering an ideological motivation. Once you've done your detective work, you need to write it up. That's where a method like TRACE comes in. It's a blueprint for the perfect paragraph. T, identify the transformation in your topic sentence. R, recognize the change with evidence from both texts. A, analyze the technique used to make the change. C, connect it to context, the social or cultural reason for the shift. And finally, E, evaluate the effect. Using these tools, you stop being a reporter who just lists facts. You become an analyst who decodes meaning. It's the difference between saying the ending was different and arguing why that new ending reveals a profound shift in our cultural anxieties. That's how you build a powerful, insightful response.